Hi everyone, how are you doing? I believe you're all keeping well. Well, uh, do you like sports? And what is your favorite sports? And who is your favorite sports person? And what qualities do you admire in her or in him? Well, students, you might be wondering why I'm questioning you based on sports. Okay, so today our session is going to be on VVS Lakshman, one of the greatest cricketers of India. Okay, so this is an exclusive interview with the sports star VVS Lakshman, in which he shares his experience and thoughts. Okay, VVS Lakshman was one of the greatest cricketers India has ever produced. He was known as a stylish batsman. He started his career as a cricketer of under 16. He was selected by the Hyderabad Cricket Association, and when he was 18 years, he was selected to play in the Ranji Trophy. He played different formats of cricket and he was a successful player against the Australian team. Though he could not participate in the World Cup, his services to the Indian cricket are recognized by everybody. Some of his contributions to the Indian cricket team was keeping the team in number 1 position in the test matches. So well students, now let's get into the textual part of our lesson, and it's an interview, right? So it's an interview, we have questions, and based on the questions, VVS Lakshman answers to the interviewer. Okay, let's begin it. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. Okay, now what does it mean? Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. Okay, see for example, when you succeed something, for example in a competition, okay, you become so overconfident. Okay, and if you fail, you lose hope. Okay, you lose your confidence, your self-esteem becomes very low. So VVS Lakshman says we have to treat both success and failure at same wavelength. They should be treated equally. Do you understand? Success and failure are parts of anybody's life. The key is self belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. VVS Lakshman tells VV Subramaniam. So, what does VVS Lakshman say to VVS Subramaniam? He says, success and failures are part of our life. Okay, it is not that we are going to be always successful people. Okay, at one or the other point we may have to face failures. So success and failures are part of our life, so we have to treat both equally. Okay, at same wavelength we have to treat success and failure. Fine. And VVS Lakshman says the key is a self belief and performing consistently. We are able to treat success and failure at the same wavelength only if we have the self belief. Self belief is confidence, and performing consistently. Okay, always performing it in by improving oneself in tough conditions. Okay. One of the finest players in the contemporary cricket has called it a day. For someone who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance, with a willow for 6 long years in Test cricket, Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman announced his retirement at a crowded media in Hyderabad ahead of the 2 Test series against New Zealand. What is meant by call it a day? It's decide or agree to stop doing something temporarily or permanently. So, one of the finest players, okay, now one of the finest players here is referring to VVS Lakshman, okay, has called it a day. You already know the meaning of called it a day is you agree to stop doing something. Okay, now what is that? He declared or he announced the retirement. Okay, he declared his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad. Okay, now since how many years he had been part of the cricket? It's 16 long years in Test cricket. Fine. Now, what is the full name of VVS Lakshman? It's Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman. Okay, but most of the time he is referred as very special Lakshman. Okay, VVS Lakshman, very special. Fine. The 37-year-old star batsman who was part of the fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the #1 Test team, shares his experiences and thoughts in an exclusive interview with a sports star. Okay, now at the time of the interview, how old was VVS Lakshman? He was 37 years of old. Okay, he was a fabulous batsman. Okay, fabulous batsman. And he helped India to become the #1 Test team. And in his interview, he shares his experience and thoughts. Fine. When you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? It has been wonderful. I was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Zaki, Syed Moinuddin Zaki, from the under-16 level itself. They made us play in the under-19 grade the same year. It was a huge leap for us and was encouraging. Fortunately, by 18, I was on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy. So when the sports star asks VVS Lakshman how his journey has been in the world of cricket, and VVS Lakshman answers that it has been wonderful, and he was lucky enough that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted VVS Lakshman along with him Zaki from the under 16 level itself. Okay, and they made both of them, VVS Lakshman and Zaki, to play in the under 19 grade the same year. Okay, level 16 was taken to level 19. Okay, and it was a huge leap for them, and it was so encouraging for both of them. Okay, fortunately by 18 he was on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy. Okay, and what is meant by on the verge of? It's close to the point where something new begins. Okay, and to play in Ranji Trophy is something very special. So he was so happy and he was so delighted and excited to play in the Ranji Trophy. Who? It's VVS Lakshman. Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman. Okay. Honestly, I feel that all the hard work and commitment I put in from the start of my career have culminated in 16 long years of international cricket. It has been an immensely satisfying feeling to have contributed to Indian cricket in my own way. So, VVS Lakshman says that he was fortunate to be on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in Ranji Trophy. Okay, and he also speaks, he says honestly that all the hard work and commitment he has put from the start of his career have culminated in 16 long years of international cricket. Okay, he really feels very proud that he could contribute something to Indian cricket in his own way. He could be part of Indian cricket team 16 long years. Okay? Who has been the biggest influence on you? My parents, Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabama, no doubt about that, especially given the fact that sports was never an integral part of our family. But the guiding philosophy which they taught was handling success and failure with equal ease. So the sports star questions VVS Lakshman, who was the or who has been the biggest influence on him. So VVS Lakshman says that it is his parents, Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabama. By profession, both of them are actually doctors. Okay, he comes from a doctor's family. Fine. So, the sports was never an integral part of our family. He says sports was never an integral part of our family. Being coming from a doctor's family, sports was never an essential part of their family. Okay, you can understand that because both the parents are doctors. So probably maybe VVS Lakshman also might have become a doctor, right? But the guiding philosophy which their parents taught him was to treat or to handle success and failure at the same wavelength, to accept both success and failures as same, to treat them as same. Okay? What did the sports teach you? Character. To treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced, and obviously, whatever I am today is because of cricket. Okay, the next question he poses was, what did the sport teach you, or what VVS Lakshman had learned from sports? So VVS Lakshman says that he learned character and how to treat success and failure on the same wavelength, to treat both of them equally. Okay, and he also says it taught him how to be a balanced person. And he says obviously it's all because of cricket what he is now. Okay, that's what he says. What he is today is just because of cricket. Do you understand? What was the most difficult phase of your career? It was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. That was the toughest moment of my life. Though there was always the dream to play for my country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor, coming from a family of doctors. Luckily, my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. Here, the role of my uncle, Baba Mohan, was very crucial, along with some of the coaches then. So, the sports person questions VVS Lakshman. Okay, so what was the most difficult phase in his career? And VVS Lakshman says that to choose between academics or cricket, and that was the toughest moment in his life. Okay, he had a great dream of playing for his country. Okay, to play for his country, but he also had a natural desire of becoming a doctor because he's coming from a doctor's family, right? So luckily his father gave freedom to VVS Lakshman to choose. Okay, to choose any one of the two. So the complete freedom was given to VVS Lakshman to choose between academics or to be part of cricket team or to become a sports person. Okay, so his father played a great role in his life, and moreover his uncle Baba Mohan was also had he also had played a crucial role in the life of VVS Lakshman along with some coaches. Okay. Do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? Have things changed a lot in this regard? Frankly, nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. There are many platforms for real talent to come good, and the IPL is one such which pushes you into national reckoning. If you perform, you are bound to get recognized. So when a sports person questions about the modern day young talents to make it as big as VVS Lakshman had done it, then VVS Lakshman answers that nowadays it's more easy. Okay, it's more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media. Okay, now it's not only sports, right? Even if you take different platforms to show your talents, we have so many, like either it could be singing or could be like dancing. We have so many competitions, so many programs that are taking. Okay, so if you perform well, you are praised and you are being attracted by others. Okay, the complete attention is given to you, and there you become the celebrity, or your talent is recognized. Okay, it's not only here for sports. Okay, if we take whether it could be a singing, it could be a dancing, or it could be any talent show. Okay, so VVS Lakshman says nowadays it's easy because of the media glare, but previously it was not like that. Okay, so VVS Lakshman says there are many platforms for real talent to come good. And with regard to the cricket, IPL is one such which will push you into the national reckoning. So if you do well, if you perform well, you are bound to be recognized. Okay, it could be any field, it could be either sports or any other talent shows. Okay, from where did you draw the strength to emerge as a giant every time there was an effort to dwarf your achievements? My parents and my entire family again. They, along with my well wishers, were always the source of inspiration. The best part is that they never changed, irrespective of whether I was performing or not. Okay, so the sports star asks VVS Lakshman where he gets the strength to emerge as a giant. Okay, every time there was an effort to dwarf his achievements. It's like it is not that VVS Lakshman is becoming like a giant personality. No. Okay, it is whenever he had a failure. Okay, whenever he had a failure. Okay, so giant is like success, dwarf is failure. Okay, so when sports person asks from where did you get the strength to become more confident, like whenever you faced failures in your achievements. And then VVS Lakshman answers that it was his family, entire family, and his parents and entire family played a great role along with his well wishers. Okay, he drew lot of strength and inspiration from his parents. Okay, and the best thing is that their family or the parents, they never changed irrespective of whether he was doing well or not. It's like if he does well, they praise, oh very good. And if he uh, if he fails, they discourage, no. Okay, they appreciated and encouraged him whether he did well or he performed well or not. Okay, what were your biggest moments as a cricketer? There were many, but some stand out. Though I never played the World Cup, that was India as a number 1 team, being a member of the Indian team, which was the world number 1 in the Test cricket, was one of them. The 281 against the Aussies in Kolkata in 2001 was another. So when the sports star questions VVS Lakshman what were the biggest moments in VVS Lakshman's life, VVS Lakshman says that being a member of the Indian team for World Cup and 281 runs against Aussies in Kolkata in 2001 were his biggest moments as a cricketer, even though he had so many in his life, but those remain as a greatest achievements and a greatest memories in his life. Okay, that test remains in the most memorable match for me. In fact, that test series was very special for all the players, for it was also the best and the most memorable series. That series gave us the confidence that we can be the best. Clearly, that was a turning point of Indian cricket itself. Okay, so he also says that the test remains. Which test? The test match against the Aussies in Kolkata, where he scored 281 runs. That remains as a very special for VVS Lakshman. Okay, and that gave the confidence that they can be the best, and that was a turning point of Indian cricket itself. Okay, well students, I believe we have understood today's session. Have you? Fine. See you in the next session with the interesting questions that were posed to VVS Lakshman and what were his answers to those questions. Okay, so see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.